my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's a new week and I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to get the goods that I need from here and Meijer. And then actually I'm able to go to Trader Joe's this week. So I'm actually counting on a Trader Joe's haul that you'll be seeing later for one of the meals. But I'm trying to still abuse items that we have on hand. I don't need a ton. So hopefully this is going to be a good budget week. But to see what I spend, I guess I have to get in and get shopping. Hopefully I don't get soaked in this rain, but I have to get in there. No choice. Let's go. Okay, so my husband devoured the dark chocolate version of these, and I was gonna get him another bag, but they don't have any here. I've never seen them at my Aldi. Bummer. Elsie is back with the brownies for her lunches, $1.89. My older daughter is on the high school varsity track team, and they're looking for snack donations to give kids, and I'm gonna buy 2 boxes of these and some granola bars. So I'm getting 2 boxes. It's 50 pouches for $8.99. Italian bread with avocado was a huge hit. Both my girls had that pretty much every day for breakfast. I'm gonna get more of this. We'll eat it also on the pasta night, $3.59. This might feel like another repeat because it is. Kel really wanted sandwiches in his lunch again, $1.45 for this. I have tater tots in my freezer that I wanted to use. And I need to get salsa con queso because we're gonna have Totchos, so taco meat, this cheese, shredded cheese, and any taco toppings all on top of tater tots. So this weekend before the sale ended, I went back to Meijer and I bought 7 more pounds of strawberries. So we are loaded because I wanted that 99 cents a pound price, not this. But I do need spinach. I'm making minestrone one night for dinner, $1.49. One night we are also gonna have green beans as a side. I go between fresh or frozen, but I thought these looked pretty good, so I'm gonna get a bag of these. They're $2.99. I almost missed the romaine hearts hiding behind the strawberry here, but we are completely out of lettuce, so I'm gonna get a 3-pack at $3.39. I'm just gonna dig for the best one. Probably that guy. You know the drill, green apples have a special place in my older daughter's heart. $3.49. Granny Smith. Egg prices have gone down. We need a dozen, but there is still a limit of 2. So I definitely want to make sure I'm getting a good dozen. There we go. We need more milk, $2.65. We use this mainly for cereal, milkshakes. No one really likes to drink milk in recipes. $3.75. I need some stick butter. We use this for everything. We're having baked potatoes one night, so I'm gonna make bacon and make homemade bacon bits. And I think I'm gonna go with the center cut bacon. $4.35. $2.69. My kids really like having peppers in their lunch, so we're gonna do that again. Can't make avocado toast without avocados. I'm trying to find a bag that I feel like it's going to be pretty easy to find one early in the week to cut into. They're all kind of hard. Yikes. $2.95, we'll see. I need a can of dark red kidney beans at 82 cents and a can of Great Northern beans at 85 cents. Both of those are for minestrone. I already have some diced tomatoes. I almost missed it. $1.45 per pound for zucchini. I'm gonna get the smallest one possible, but that's for minestrone. Just in case I run out of time to make the bacon bits, I wanna get this to have on hand, $1.95. I do really like these, just not as good as homemade bacon bits. I wanted to buy 15 boxes of the assorted granola bars, but they only have peanut butter. I don't like to buy the peanut butter, especially that many, because I know there's peanut allergies. High school, I'm not worried about kids like accidentally eating them, but I want to get variety. So I guess I'll have to come back for the assorted box, but I was going to get 15 at $1.75. Where are they? My in-laws pointed out to me that Aldi had marbled rye. I see it here. I missed it last week. That would have been great for Reuben's. I love the one that I got from Meijer, but that would have been really good. My in-laws said they really like this. $3.29. They have butter pound cake. They have these different cupcakes, a lemon streusel cake, filled croissants. They have cream cheese or raspberry, and those are $3.99 a piece. Here's the Aldi Finds aisle. All the things that we got to see together last week, still here and present. I did forget this last week, the dishwasher cleaner, so I am gonna get it, $4.99. But I'm not seeing anything else new. We will of course come back this Wednesday and see what else they have. But saw all of this last week. Brown gravy, I'm getting 2 of them at 47 cents a piece. That's for KFC bowls. And oregano, I just used the rest of it with our Greek dinner, 99 cents. Veggie stock, I'm gonna use this for the minestrone soup. It's $1.55. They have some red sticker chicken thighs, but I'm after chicken breast, so I guess I'm gonna just grab this one at $11.78. It's $2.49 a pound. I'm making popcorn chicken and a chicken and rice meal. For the Totchos this week, I'm gonna get this medium salsa. I was going between the pico or this, but I'm gonna go with this, $2.49. We like both. They have a lot of ham out here. I've heard a lot of good things about ham. We're not big ham eaters. We pretty much stick with chicken and beef for the most part. Sometimes, I mean, I'm not opposed to pork. I like pork sausage. My husband really likes to stick with beef and chicken for the most part. They have pizzas. The bagel pizza is $6.29. I don't really see much new, but we did check this out last week with their cleaning. We did check this out last week with the Aldi Finds, so I probably won't see much. Steakums for $4.99. They have cauliflower stir-fry rice. I heard that's really good at Trader Joe's too. They have different skillets here, carrot, onion, or carrot coins. Pastas, they still have a bunch of the blends. Breakfast burritos, I think those look pretty good. $8.49 and you get 8 of them. We have not had our giant pretzel yet, but my husband and son raving reviews of the pretzel sandwich. They love them. Okay, we are back. They have the Mexican style shredded cheese. My kids were not happy. We didn't have this last week. They love it. $2.79. Decisions. We are out of lemon. I think grapefruit would be the best bet, but I'm tempted to try blackberry. $3.99. What should I do? I think we'll probably go grapefruit. Okay, these are new. Flavored still water. I don't know what that means, but they have different flavors. Triple berry, strawberry, watermelon, lime, mint. Maybe I'll get one of these just to try them and tell you what it's like at some point. 79 cents. I'm gonna try it. I'm debating if I want to ask them if they have more granola bars. I just always feel like all the workers are so busy, I don't want to interrupt what they're doing, but I am tempted to ask. I'm in the Aldi Finds food aisle. It looks just like it did Wednesday. Same things. I'm not seeing anything new. But this is my cart if I don't find granola bars. Any guess on my total before we head to Meijer? My total is $95.36. I did not ask about granolas because there's no one available to help. Yikes, Aldi was loud. I didn't get granola bars, but it's still raining and I'm now at Meijer. Again, try to not get soaked. My list is even shorter there, so wish me luck. I actually have to go to the back of the van to get my list because I put it in my grocery bag and forgot to grab it. More time in the rain. Good job, Jackie. Good job. I am once again shopping on Sunday night instead of Monday morning because I still get the new week of sales, but my daughter has a doctor's appointment Monday and kids come first. I'm over here looking for concealer, but this concealer is way more expensive than e.l.f. But I have a $2 off any Revlon cosmetics. So I came over here to look for concealer, but this lip gloss I can get $2 off, and I use lip gloss all the time. I like Sky Pink or Pinkissimo. I think I'm gonna get this. So I'll get $2 off, so hopefully it'll be $4.99 if my math is mathing right. But the reason I came over here is for concealer. I'm completely out. I basically just use a tinted moisturizer every day, but sometimes a little more than that's needed, you know, for some spots. But it's been so long since I bought it, I'm not exactly sure what my skin tone is. I think Light ivory is what I get. $7. We'll make it work. I love e.l.f. cosmetics though. This is the tinted moisturizer I use. Example of why I need concealer, right there, right in the middle of my forehead. Right across from the concealer is crafting. I need glue sticks. They don't have a giant selection, probably because it's not back to school time. But this looks like it's extra strength craft bond. Probably work pretty good for what we need. We just are out of glue sticks, and especially my son is a crafter. But Elsie is actually the one that was looking. So I'm gonna get these, $3.69, basically because there's no other option for me. Now, of course, Easter is everywhere now, which I love. I love springtime, I love Easter, but look what else they have. Outdoor stuff is out. Could it be that spring is actually gonna come to Michigan? It doesn't feel like it yet, but the signs are signing and I'm ready. Okay, I see that they have this Polaroid Go on clearance. I'm very tempted to buy this. My son's birthday's not until September, but look at that price, and he's very interested in having a Polaroid. This has smaller pictures, and then I just accidentally bought Polaroid film in this size instead of the size I needed. So I could have a pretty good gift started for him for September. So I'm gonna text my husband, see what he says, but I think it might be a go. What brought me over by the cameras was I thought of where they probably have other glue sticks. So they do have this multi-pack for less money. So I'm gonna get this one instead. We don't need the craft permanent. These work really well, $2.99. They also have lots more. That's what I was actually looking for. I keep waiting for these juice boxes to go on sale so I can stock up, but they're not. So one a week, $2.99 for the minestrone. Elsie specifically requested ditalini. It's a good pick, $1.09. Hacienda, $5.69, our favorite tortilla chips. I'm gonna get these to go with Totchos. It's been a while since we bought them, but they're one of our favorite foods we can buy. So good. And they're Michigan made. We're almost done. I have one more thing to get, and it was meant to be something that I made last week, but because I forgot my list, I didn't get it. So I'm gonna make it this week, and you guess what it is. So last week I forgot it, and this week they don't have it, the Rhodes bread dough. Dang it. I don't really want to get the rolls. We'll survive. We will survive. 38 ounces. Okay, we're gonna get these dinner rolls. They're on sale for $4.89. Okay, well, I'm not gonna get to the Polaroid Go. I haven't heard back from my husband, and yes, I do know my son's birthday is a long ways away. He could also spend his own money on it, and maybe he'd choose to come do that soon. Wait, he just texted me back. He agrees. Yay, we're gonna get it. But as I was going to put it back, look what I found. Mini Fugglers. My son loves these. These are going in his Easter basket. Which one? Kind of like that guy. But he has a lot of Fugglers. He loves stuffed animals. I kind of want to get him this one too. They're so ugly, they're funny is the point. And they live up to that expectation. We're just gonna get him the baby one for his Easter basket. Okay, I think we're set now. Any guess on the true total? Okay, so I did get $2 off, and you can see that was $74.99. My grand total was $114.38. Yikes! But I have a big chunk of birthday done for September. Yay! Okay, we are home. Meal plan for the week. Tonight we are having baked potatoes, making the bacon bits. We have shredded cheese, the cheese sauce, steamed broccoli. I have a bag of broccoli in my freezer. Green onions. Everyone can top theirs how they want. Butter, salt, pepper, sour cream, whatever. Tuesday we're having minestrone. Now my boys won't love this. I can pick out the beans for my son, and my husband can do it for himself. But the girls and I are looking forward to this. Wednesday, We're either gonna have leftover soup or fend for yourself. My daughter has an out of town track meet. Also Wednesday is when the taping for the show that I went to of The Price is Right is on. And so we're watching it at a local pizza place, a little watch party with friends and family, and we're gonna have the pizza buffet there. So since we're doing that, I don't wanna go and make a huge dinner. So we'll eat leftovers or fend for ourselves. Thursday, this is where I'm hoping to have a gnocchi meal that I saw from Trader Joe's. It's a frozen meal that has gnocchi, tomato, mozzarella. It has really good reviews. I hope that I can find it, but it's vegetarian and seems like something my family should like. Friday, we're gonna have tachos, so loaded tater tots essentially. I have one more thing of taco meat in my freezer. I'm gonna have to make that next week. Saturday, I'm making a new cheesy chicken sauce recipe. We're gonna have white rice, green beans, rolls with that. And then we'll also have rolls with KFC bowls. I'm gonna make homemade mashed potatoes, popcorn chicken. We'll have the brown gravy. You put shredded cheddar cheese or corn on top. Very comforting, warm, satisfying, delicious meal. So these are the meal plans for the week. If you want to see how you can make tachos, I have a very old video where I shared shredded chicken tachos, and you can check out that video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.